How to check your deductible and out-of-pocket max on BCBSM. To check your deductible and out-of-pocket max on your BCBSM plan, you can follow up these steps. So you can basically head over to the website, and once you are here, you can go ahead and use the online member account on the website or the mobile application. So you can find the login interface in the top right corner, tap on it, and from there, select up your member account. Once you head over the login page, just go ahead and do so. Select the members option, login for members, and you will be taken to the members login interface. Now you can basically log in into your member account using your credentials. After that, once you enter up your username and password, look out for login option, tap on login. And once logged in, you can look out for a section related to claims, explanation of benefits, or a personal snapshot of your coverage. Just go ahead and do so. There, you should also find the details about your deductible, any payments made towards it, and your current out of pocket balance. And that's it. And you can basically head over and look out for the benefits. Those are sent after a claim is processed and provides a detailed information about the claim, including your deductible, co-insurance, and out-of-pocket costs. You can view your EOB statements online through your member account or receive them via mail or email if you have not opted for paperless statements. And that's it, and that will help you track your progress towards your deductible and out-of-pocket maximum. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to check your deductible and out-of-pocket max on BCBSM. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.